Sporadic demonstrations against deporting immigrants have taken place nationwide. Some politicians have publicly voiced their disapproval.
It makes our community scared, both the immigrant community and the non-immigrant community alike. And it makes us feel like we're under attack. You got to realize this comes on the heels of the commander-in-chief calling Mexicans rapists and criminals.
Schools, churches, and entire cities have been among those that decided to offer sanctuary to undocumented immigrants. This church in Buffalo, New York is one.
We will open our doors. We will provide housing and food and facilities so that they can feel safe and at peace.
But the Attorney General reminded Americans Monday that failure to deport aliens when they're convicted and detained for certain crimes will bear consequences.
Moreover, the Department of Justice will require that jurisdictions seeking or applying for Department of Justice grants to certify compliance with 1373 as a condition of receiving those awards.
The possibility of losing federal funds has prompted some cities to abandon their sanctuary status.
It's important for us not to be in it because we don't want to put any of our federal funding at risk, and now that we receive now, and also the money that we could be receiving in the future.
But the reaction is not universal. Maryland, which borders the nation's capital, is considering a bill that would make the entire state a sanctuary for immigrants. Sessions said that would be a grave mistake.
I would plead with the people of Maryland to understand that this makes the state of Maryland more at risk for violence and crime, that it's not good policy.
President Donald Trump told Congress last month his administration is responding to the pleas of the American people for immigration law enforcement and border security.
By finally enforcing our immigration laws, we will raise wages, help the unemployed, save billions and billions of dollars, and make our communities safer for everyone.
The U.S. Attorney General said jurisdictions that seek to protect perpetrators of assault, burglaries, drug crimes, rapes, and murders put whole communities at risk, including immigrant communities. Zlatica, Hoke, VOA News, Washington.